Hey people, so we are at this place called Concu, and this is my child, and Ayush, take a bite of both things. Ayush, what is that donut called? Uh, it is some kind, yeah, it's called, that's what, it's a vanilla donut which you can get for 135, and that is for 150. So everything on the table is for like 299 bucks. And how does it taste? Oh, it's pretty soft like that.
I'm not a fan of vanilla, but I gotta say, this is a 6 out of 10.
Yeah, it's a vanilla filling. Wow.
I don't like it.
You don't? Okay, take a bite of that. Then even I would take a bite of it. Does it taste good? Okay, this is like an ice cream, really. Yeah, this is a cute place, yeah, in Film Nagar, and I'm so glad I come here because, yeah. So Ayush, how would you rate this place? Yeah. So on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.